We have been feeling and seeing yesterday and today will continue, it looks like, on through the weekend. So the clouds, the humidity, and the passing rain showers, we've got to get used to them at least for a few more days. Tonight, we've got some heavy downpours, occasional thunder and lightning, but no severe weather expected. Right along I-95, there it is, starting from Wilson up through parts of Edgecombe and Nash County into Halifax and Northampton County. So you guys in Rocky Mount all the way up to Roanoke Rapids, some slow-moving rain that's been around for a while. It's going to stick around for a little bit longer. Most everyone else is dry. Hasn't been the case all day long. We've had some occasional light rain showers, some sprinkles on and off throughout the day, and that's kind of the activity we see right now. There are some other thunderstorms closer to the coast, but like happened yesterday, most of the rain, the stronger storms along the coast, when they get pushed inland, they start to weaken, and they're not as powerful, don't bring as much rain. But this trend will continue tomorrow. And of course, we're all still keeping an eye and kind of wondering if anything's going to happen with this disorganized area of low pressure and thunderstorms about 300 miles now off the coast of North Carolina. The National Hurricane Center continues to keep an eye on it. But as we just have been watching this over the past few days, it doesn't look that impressive. So whether it develops or not really concerning to us, because either way, we're still going to have this cloud cover, this rain, and this humidity. I'm thinking back as hard as possible to how comfortable it was over the weekend, because it wasn't so today. Remember, over the weekend, our dew point temperature was down here in the comfy zone, and it felt great. Well, now it's skyrocketed back into the mid-70s. That's definitely in the steamy zone, and you felt it today. Even though most of us stayed in the 70s today, it wasn't a cool and comfy 70s, was it? No, it wasn't. Temperatures in the upper 70s to low 80s now. And yes, we would love these temperatures any other time when the humidity wasn't 300%, or at least felt like that. So with all that moisture out there in the cloud cover, we are still going to keep a few scattered showers around through tonight. A lot of that rain going away overnight, but not all of it. So clouds, muggy conditions, and small rain chances overnight as temperatures pretty much hold in the mid to low 70s. So the weather map doesn't look that different today compared to yesterday, and it's not going to change much tomorrow. We've got that stationary boundary. We've got all that moisture out there. We've got this area of low pressure trying to develop, and again, it's probably not going to be successful. Even if it does, we're still not going to see much change in our cloudy, wet forecast. So let's walk you through the next couple of days and tell you what to expect. It's basically more of the same. Tomorrow morning, we start off with clouds, muggy conditions, maybe a little bit of fog on Thursday morning. Then notice everything's still coming from the coast, moving from east to west. Through lunchtime, mostly dry and mostly cloudy. Then a few scattered showers, possible thunderstorms develop in the middle of the afternoon Thursday. A few will be around through dinner time. And then as we get into the evening, we lose a lot of the rain. We're going to do it again on Friday. All that moisture, that flow still coming off the coast. We're cloudy with small rain chances Friday morning. Mostly dry through lunchtime, and then we get into the afternoon. That's when we'll start to see a few showers and thunderstorms bubble up. So a couple more days of this, and to some extent, it's going to continue into the weekend. Officially, the National Hurricane Center says there's a 30% chance in the next 2 to 5 days that something will develop. So there it is, but as we just kind of step back and watch the satellite together, it doesn't look that impressive. You don't see a circulation. It flares up, then it goes away. But what's out there for sure, moisture and enhanced rain chances. So that's why whatever happens with it doesn't really change our forecast. Now, more significant, but not impacting us, are Tropical Storm Paulette and Renee, both still out in the open waters of the Atlantic. Renee might become a hurricane, but it'll stay out to sea. Paulette will remain a tropical storm, and we'll get close to Bermuda this weekend, probably not impacting us, especially since we have a cold front next week. So let's talk about that. Unfortunately, still humid with scattered rain showers and cloudy skies Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. We'll keep that trend going Sunday as well, and really into Monday too. But as I step out of the way, you can see there's a cold front on Tuesday. There's a chance it might not make it all the way through, but it's starting to look like that's more likely going to happen, which means drier weather, lower humidity, cooler temperatures, daytime and night starting next Wednesday. We've still got some mugginess to get through between now and then, though.